Sydney. We're doing a super cute, fun little like half up do. It's really popular right now, and Sydney just has the best hair in the world to do this with. So keep watching, and we'll show you how to do it.
So I use the arch of the eyebrows to really determine where I'm going to grab my section of hair at. So go from the arch of the eyebrows straight back and grab a chunk of hair. I use a clear rubber band to secure the hair with, and then I go in next with some like bobby pins, and I push them up under the ponytail with some hair to help that little ponytail like sit upright so it's not too flat, and then just tease like your life depends on it. We want all the volume. And once I get the ponytail done, I actually even tease a little bit of hair behind it. Like I said, all the volume, it's everything we need. And just go ahead and separate the ponytail out.
Hey guys, we hope you liked that quick tutorial of this super sassy hairdo. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel and stay tuned for more videos.